My name is Mark. I'm with a company called MarkMaster. We are a manufacturer of interior signage and graphics. We do the whole package, but our specialty is truly inside. We have been in this business since 1933. This is our 90th year. I look pretty good for a 90-year-old. But we've been doing this quite a long time. And we have just started, though, with your team. We are very excited about where the opportunities have already taken us. We have already received information that we're getting multiple contracts. We are waiting for the paperwork and the dates to fall in line to produce product. We were able to connect through the QUIP. And even before that, we are members of the National Minority Supplier to Development Council, and we were able to meet there. Jessica put us on to the QUIP, and we took it, but really with you guys, we went from there and did what needs to be done as a vendor. But we are very excited about our relationship, where it already has come in a very short time and where we hope for it to go. We are adding new things like wall coverings and things of that nature to our product offering, hoping to even improve the opportunities for us with you. We look forward to working with those of you who do not know us. And for those that have already started working with us, thank you for the opportunity.